mobile application. I just built it on top of my pre-existing project for simplicity. It takes advantage of the built-in GPS, and that is basically it. Um, this screen is more of a placeholder for future editions. I was planning on having it upload an image, but that proved darn near impossible. Um, I couldn't find a way to do it with GAE, not easily anyway. Um, just wasn't working. It was supposed to be working, no errors were being put out, but I wasn't receiving data. So I gave up on that. Now we just send coordinates. So I hit the send button, and that sends the phone's current coordinates. In the future, we'd potentially send an image or maybe a posting, some sort of information, a comment, be more like a social media. Say, I'm here, this is what I saw here, this is what I did here. I'm calling it My Eye. Why not? This would be the user interface. It's just a Google map, and it keeps track of these sent locations. So right now I have 4. I have the iOS simulator set to a highway drive. So if we send another point, okay, longitude, latitude, timestamp, we should see another point appear. Keep in mind, my cron job gets rid of points older than 5 minutes. So if this was a social media and there's a lot of users, you'd only see the newest stuff. You would never see potentially very old postings. You only see postings that are either a couple days old or a few hours old, or maybe you could set that depending on what you want to see. But right now, for the sake of demoing, I have it set for 5 minutes. So anything older than 5 minutes gets deleted, and that cron job runs every 2 minutes. For whatever reason, 1 minute doesn't work, 2 minutes works. So that's the way it is. So we'll refresh this page, and yeah, we start very zoomed out. And we'll zoom in, the United States. The default location for this highway drive is California, near, I guess, headquarters, Google headquarters, possibly, or I mean Apple headquarters. So yeah, we gained a point, and we lost 2 points over here. It's because they were older than 5 minutes. I suspect we'll lose this point very soon. If we go to my data viewer and refresh this, yeah, we just have our 2 points now. And refresh this in a few minutes, we'll probably end up with 1. You can see my cron job. Where is it here? Somewhere here we got cron job. I'm not worried about it. Oh, here we go. Every 2 minutes, and last time it ran, just a few moments ago, and that's my application. In the future, I would hope to have maybe the right side of the screen have, you could click a point and it would display what was happening there, or maybe some Facebook integration, because I don't think this is a great enough idea to be a standalone social media by any means, but it could be maybe a Facebook plugin or app. But yeah, so I send coordinates from the mobile to the server. I display them with Google Map. I use a cron job to remove old points. I use a GPS on the mobile device, which you don't really have on a, I guess you could potentially have, but most computers don't have GPS. So that's what we got. And I guess in the future, photo taking would be a mobile device sort of thing, and data storage would be a App Engine server side activity. Thank you very much.